Hello, welcome back to our show. We talk about things to help you learn and grow. Shout out to Miss Vetch's class at Prickly Pear Elementary, Montana. Thanks for watching. Your thought of the week was, true friends are like diamonds. School's almost done and vacation is near, but we want to keep learning when summer is here. So I have some skills to share with you for you to practice the whole summer through. The last thing to do when you meet someone new is tell them goodbye. It was nice to meet you. Using their name is the message to send, so they know that you like them and want to be their new friend. Now listen closely. Why are friends important? Thanks for watching, and remember, we're all in this together and we're here to help you through. As long as you keep trying, there is nothing we can't do. Be safe and strong, young diamonds. Have a fantastic weekend.